Hi everyone, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we are going to do a tutorial on how to do icing on a 2 kg cake, and it is a flat cake. This cake is only 2 layer and we are also going to do crumb coating with less cream. Now add 1 layer, then let's add sugar syrup, then we are gonna put some whipped cream frosting. And we are gonna also add some choco chips for the taste. Now let's put the second layer and put some sugar syrup on top of it. Don't put too much or the cake will be broken inside when you cut it. After that we are going to start the crumb coating with only just little cream. And we bake this cake in 12 inches mold. And the bottom base is only 14 inches. Coating is done. Now refrigerate it for 5 hours. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.